Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making country fried chicken. So for our ingredients, we have boneless chicken breasts. And for our marinara, we have buttermilk, eggs, and salt. Now then we're going to pack the chicken completely dry. We're going to whisk our eggs, our salt, and our buttermilk together. Now for our chicken breast, we are going to use a meat tenderizer to pound our chicken flat, about a 1/2 inch thick. You want to use saran wrap to do this. Here I am showing you how I saran wrap my cutting board so that I can tenderize my chicken. You want to put a piece of saran wrap on the bottom and tuck it under. And then I'm going to cut my chicken breast in half. Then I'm going to put another piece of saran wrap on the top. And then I'm going to take my meat tenderizer and I'm just going to bang it to about a 1/2 inch. And then we're going to add our chicken to our marinara. Now you want to do this anywhere from 1 to 2 hours or overnight. The longer it marinates, the more tender it will be. And for our breading, we have all-purpose flour, breadcrumbs, sea salt, paprika, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. But that was just the basics, but you can add whatever you want to jazz it up. We are adding our breadcrumbs to our flour, our paprika, our cayenne pepper, and our black pepper, and some seasoning salt. And you want to mix that really well. Now you want to transfer your marinated chicken to your breading mixture. You want to flip it over several times and work that breading into it. You know, the little nooks and crannies of it, until it is completely dry and coated. Don't bread all your chicken at one time. You want to prepare each piece right before you get ready to fry it. Now, we want to take our chicken out and let it sit for about 25 to 30 minutes at room temperature before you want to fry it. You want to add enough oil to your skillet to cover your chicken. Once your oil has heated up, you want to carefully cook your chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. So it browns up nicely. Once your chicken is browned on each side, you want to carefully transfer it to a wire rack for cooling. You want to repeat this until all of your chicken is done. You can serve this with cornbread, mashed potatoes, and gravy. As you can see in my picture, we did mashed potatoes and corn. We have made country fried chicken. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.